folks, Aaron here from Bean Sprout. I have number 1006 to show you. This is an alto ukulele, and an alto is a size that I kind of made up myself. It's between a soprano and a concert. I just wanted one all-around good, smallish uke, and it's proved to be a really successful design for me. So in this case, the customer wanted some of this curly walnut here. This is from an estate sale. It's full of knots and holes and little funny bug marks and stuff. I really like it. And then this is some Western red cedar for the top. It's very unusual though. It's kind of pale for cedar, and it has these cool marks and lines in it, and it's kind of wide grained. So I got this. I got the. It was like the bottom 3 feet of a trunk and then into the root ball, and I got it out of the burn pile up at the D mill. They had milled this stuff. It was cedar trees that were like windbreak around an orchard. And then so we've got a little fir neck and walnut, everything else. It's got a 1.5-inch nut on it, walnut binding. Yeah, it feels really good. It's got some nice sparkle and brilliance to it, but nice long sustain. And for a small instrument, it's got some depth to it. So that's number 1006. Cheers.